2022 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 63,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.